Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX300 series printer to your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX300 support into Google. And one of the best results should be Canon support for PIXMA MX300. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to go ahead and scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down again, you want to select underneath software and driver results. There should be an item in here that says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then open up the download once it's finished. Should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. Select Yes. And then you want to proceed with the on-screen steps of setting up your country, region, and agreeing to the license terms here. And then we can create a shortcut on our desktop if we choose, and you should be good to go. So if for some reason you're still having a problem, you can open up that utility, and by selecting Diagnose and Repair Printer, you should be able to see additional troubleshooting steps you can follow through and then hopefully resolve it that way. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.